Indonesia is one of the most biodiverse countries on Earth, but beneath its forests, farms, villages, and oceans, live snakes capable of killing in silence. Some use venom, others use pure strength. Bright green, perfectly camouflaged. The green pit viper is one of the most common venomous snakes in Indonesia. It waits silently on branches and bushes. Most victims never see it until the pain begins. Its venom attacks blood and tissue, causing swelling, bleeding, and in severe cases, death. Some of the most dangerous snakes are never seen. They live underground, beneath soil and leaf litter. When stepped on, they strike instantly. Venom enters the body before danger is even noticed. Small, brightly colored, often underestimated. This snake hides in gardens and bushes. Its venom can be fatal, especially for children and the elderly. The bandit krait is calm and rarely aggressive, but its venom attacks the nervous system. Victims may feel nothing at first, until breathing slowly stops. Similar in appearance, but even more dangerous, the Malayan krait delivers one of the most powerful venoms in the region. Many bites happen at night while people are asleep. The king cobra is the longest venomous snake on Earth. It does not rely on speed alone, but intelligence and intimidation. When threatened, it raises high, spreads its hood, and delivers enough venom to kill an elephant. In remote areas, a single bite can be fatal without immediate medical treatment. In Indonesian waters, danger does not crawl, it swims. Sea snakes carry extremely potent venom. A bite may feel harmless at first, but muscle failure and organ damage can follow hours later. Not venomous, yet responsible for some of the most terrifying deaths. Pythons killed by constriction. They cut off blood circulation, not air. Across Indonesia, real cases exist. Farmers, hunters, villagers, overpowered silently before help could arrive. Venom attacks nerves. Venom attacks blood. Constriction attacks circulation. Different methods, same deadly result. Snakes do not hunt humans. Most victims are ordinary people living close to this nature, sharing the same land. In Indonesia, danger is rarely loud. It is completely silent. Silent disaster. Real stories of nature, war, and survival.